The assembly tree exporter creates a text file export of all the items in your assembly tree, or a certain selection of those items. For example here, I'll click on the assembly tree exporter, and you can see we can choose the filtering. We can list the parts only and therefore not the assemblies. We can also limit the tree depth. For example, if we'd like it to only go one subassembly down, or two, or three, and so on. In this case, I won't limit the tree depth though. We can also print the number of parts if we'd like to. I'll check that one. And I'll leave both of these checked as well. Now you can see the file name here is going to be assembly.txt. You can change that location by clicking this if you'd like to. Then I'll hit OK. And now you can see a display of that assembly tree. Now as you can see, we're going all the way down the assembly tree here. So we're going all the way down to the shape level. We have the top level assembly there, which is this one. Then we have the next subassembly, which is this engine assembly here. Then we have another engine subassembly below that, and then in that is this block. Or that could be a part, sorry, not an assembly. The second one here is the part. Then we can have another one here. For example, we have the top level assembly, and then we have the subassembly of the engine, and then we have the sub part of that assembly for the exhaust stack, and that's got shape 1 inside it as well. And we can go down further and see these in a little bit more detail. For example, here, this one will make more sense in some cases than the others. So we've got the overall assembly, we've got the subassembly of the engine, we've got another subassembly of the mount, and then under that we've got a bolt. Then under that bolt we have the bolt body. So this is a text file which will show the structure of your assembly tree there, just to simply export that in case it's useful for you. That's how to use the assembly tree exporter command.